Who built the Antarctica pyramids and why? Did ancient astronauts, ETs, have colonies there before it was covered with ice, making it difficult to find out what exactly is hidden? Antarctica is the Earth's most remote and least explored continent. It's buried under so much ice. The ice is 3 miles deep in some places. However, recent satellite imagery reveals what appeared to be the top of man-made pyramids. And these pyramids, whether they're man-made or alien-made, ancient-made, they are ancient, are scattered throughout the ice-covered landscape of Antarctica. But how is that possible? Well, we know that we have recently found huge pyramids in North America and even in Alaska with strange geomagnetic and electromagnetic properties. Ancient astronaut theory suggests that an ice-free Antarctica may have been colonized by extraterrestrials in the remote past. That is, until some kind of a global catastrophe occurred to plunge the Earth into an ice age. Is there a greater history on the continent that the mainstream scholars suggest? Scientists report strange magnetic anomalies radiating from beneath the ice. The Germans of the Nazi era allegedly made secret expeditions to the continent in order to search for a lost civilization. And government whistleblowers have come forward with claims of strange sightings. Perhaps hidden beneath the ice and the frozen continent lies the truth about our origins, even extraterrestrial origins. It's not just the ancient pyramids that are obvious there. It's also the fact that UFOs have been seen in Antarctica, all the way back from Admiral Byrd's expedition around the Second World War. We even have UFOs showing up in the Arctic in the Northern Hemisphere. This is an original scan photo of a submarine USS Tripanje taking pictures of a UFO around the North Pole area, the North Atlantic. And they don't know where these things are coming from. They're coming up from under the ocean, taking off at incredible speeds towards any location they wish. These are speeds that are not yet obtainable by human technology that we have up to date. UFO sightings in Antarctica are believed to involve alien flying craft around its old pyramid bases in Antarctica. So they're called UFO pyramids. Enthusiasts say that these remote landmasses, up to 3 miles of ice, buried various mysteries, of course, and conspiracy theorists say aliens lived in an ice-free Antarctica quite a long time ago, possibly before the deluge or the ice age, and many believe so because of the significant number of strange, mysterious activities surrounding these icy land masses. Some videos have been featuring alleged man-made ancient pyramids. Researchers discovered strange magnetic anomalies beneath the Antarctica ice. These unknown signals increase speculations that the Antarctica continent holds signs or even old life itself. And there were rumors that top officials and the Nazis knew that aliens made these old pyramids. Now, we have recently put up a video concerning strange, high-pitched, eerie, metallic signals, screeching signals from Canada's north. Nobody knows what this is. It's coming from a lake, and conspiracy theorists believe it is some kind of a signal from a UFO. So these similar signals have been heard in the Antarctic. Now, aside from these pyramid bases in the Antarctic, other apparent signs of aliens are several UFO sightings reported around the area. Some researchers believe these sightings could be aliens visiting their ancient bases. Of course, these are all hypotheses because nobody knows who these people flying the UFOs are or controlling these. They could be drone UFOs. Nobody knows where they're coming from, what their aim is, how long they've been there. So the image that made the rounds on the internet shows evidence of military presence, as tanks that seem to guard an alien crash site that can be revealed in a zoomed-in image. But of course there is doubt concerning the picture. It could be a hoax. Former officials have come forward confirming there's alien activity in the area. One Navy officer, who chose to be unnamed, he's anonymous, claims he was in the Antarctic between 1983 and 1997, and he had the job of flying cargo and rescue missions there. This officer said that he saw some UFOs during his flights, but the greatest controversy was those researchers that went missing. He believes that they made contact with aliens. I'll leave links below for you for some very interesting videos you may want to watch concerning these huge pyramids and ancient aliens. They're quite lengthy, but it's worth watching if you're interested. I'll leave links below for you for this.